In this video, you are going to see how to draw a smooth curve shape in Microsoft Excel, as you can see here. Let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Shape. You will find various line shape. Let us choose this one, curve, and click on over here, and where you want to make the curve, click on again and draw it like this. I have to end it over here, so let us double click the mouse, then it will be ended. Now if you want to change its size, click on right button, go to format shape, go to solid line. You can increase it wide from here very easily, make it 6 point. You can change the color, and if you want, you may add the arrow. Let us choose end arrow type and add the arrow from here, and this is looking perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.